Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can remove a story highlights on Facebook. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order to do that, go ahead and open your Facebook application. And once you have done that, go ahead into your profile, and as you can see, I have my story highlights right over here. So in order to delete the story highlight or remove the story highlight, all you have to do is hold your finger on top of the highlight that you have, and then this menu should pop up right over here. As you can see, if you click on edit story highlight, then you can remove single stories from the highlight. And if you just keep on holding and then click on delete highlight and click on OK, you will remove all the story highlights that you currently have. So if you thought this video is informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.